Ladies and gentlemen, we are in the jungle. Alrighty. So, what we got here, see little stakes. Native plants. Native plants. So before they weed whack around this, the previous owners did a great job of planting all these natives. But I'm not about to weed whack. So let's use that thing. Go to work. I'll show you the after effect short video. But yeah, jungle mowing. This is generally what a Hawaiian jungle on the west side of the Big Island looks like. Real nice. We're kind of 2/3 of a mile up from the main highway, if that makes any sense. Not there's any relative place you guys can gauge from. Yeah, let's go mow these natives without using the weed whacker. All right. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so yeah, I'm back down from up there. I'm gonna mow this a little bit, just as an exploratory mow. So yeah, doing that. We did pretty good, got a couple of rocks. So I gotta go up there and clean up around those trees a little bit. We got pig damage, but also some of the plantings are just way too close together. I don't know why they decided to put them so close, but whatever. So yeah, let's go mow some more and we'll go from there. right, ladies and gentlemen, so this took a minute. This is just about, well, 2/3 of an acre. Took about, what, hour and a half, and then I did another lot down there, or not lot, but pad clearing. Turned out real nice. So yeah, I'm gonna continue on, but I'm gonna leave you here. So just thickness and exploratory mowing and, you know, just little stuff. So little video. Hope you guys enjoy. Please like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Aloha.